We bought a new DeWalt String Trimmer, model number DCST970X1, and it seemed great at first. Then it jammed, and it jammed some more. Then it sucked the string into the head. Then it jammed more. Then it stuck the string in the head again. It did this constantly, and we only used it for a few hours. After a week, the head itself broke apart. We spent $30 on a new head, and it had the exact same problems. So we did some research, and it turns out everyone seems to have this problem. The DeWalt trimmer is great, but the head is garbage. But there's a solution, and it's basically the same price as the DeWalt replacement head, around $30. Enter the Husqvarna 537388101 Universal T35 head. You wouldn't think one trimmer head would be much different from others, but this one is different. It's a normal bump feed style trimmer head where when the head is spinning, you bump it on the ground and it feeds more string out. But the way the string is wound onto this particular head is the key to its success. More on that in a bit. First, I want to show you how easy this problem is to fix. The Husqvarna T35 is a universal head, so it can fit many different trimmers and comes with a few adapter bits to work with some, but not all trimmers. But for the DeWalt, you literally screw the junky DeWalt head off and screw this one on. Simple and done. The DeWalt head is a reverse thread, which means lefty-loosey isn't the case here. To loosen the old head, you turn to the right. First, you lock the head in place with a small screwdriver or a nail. Just line up the slot, pop in the driver or the nail, and turn the head right, clockwise. We didn't need any of the bits the T35 came with, and screwed just the head on. Keep that driver or nail in place and turn to the left, counterclockwise, to tighten, and you're done. This is literally the single easiest and best trimmer upgrade you'll ever make. It turns that almost worthless DeWalt trimmer into the best we've ever used. Now, the secret to this T35 head is how the string is wound. Rather than twisting both sides of the string into a bird's nest of a mess, the T35 has two separate channels for each side of the string, so they don't get tangled together. Simple, brilliant. The instructions said it can hold somewhere around 25 or 28 feet of string. I think we usually put 15 to 20 in at a time. Find the middle of your string, loop it over the little hook in the middle of the head, and wrap it around, follow the arrows. Snap the spool on the head and you're done. Simple, fast, easy. I have all the links in the description below if you want to turn that DeWalt trimmer you regret buying into a weed-eating monster. We've also tried so many strings for our trimmer. We like the Echo brand and the Husqvarna brand. If we had to pick between two of them, we really like that Husqvarna one the best, but that Echo is a good second choice. Links in the description below. This is the part where I ask you to like and subscribe. Do it if you want, skip it if you don't, but it really does help us.